How to verify KOHO account. Follow the instructions. Open the KOHO app on your device and sign in to your account using your registered email and password. Go to the account settings or profile section from the app's main menu to access verification options. Select Verify Account or a similar option to start the process for identity verification in KOHO. Enter your personal details such as full name, date of birth, and current address exactly as on your ID. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license for verification. Take and upload a live selfie through the app to confirm your identity matches the submitted document. Review your entered details and uploaded documents to ensure accuracy before submitting to KOHO. Wait for KOHO to review and confirm your identity. You'll get a notification once verification is complete. Thank you for watching.